Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase, and this one is a lot of world coins, Australia, Germany, Soviet, Korean, Yugoslavia, Bulgaria, and more. And this lot of coins I paid $42.89 for. Some of these are carded, some of them are not. One of the things I really was looking forward to is they have a donation dollar from Australia in here, and several other Australian and New Zealand coins. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, a bag within a bag within a bag. There we go. Okay, I have the entire lot laid out for you here. And we have right here, these are all Australian 50-cent pieces on the top row there. We have 3 Australian dollars of different types there. Australian 20-cent pieces here that are worth $3 to $4. Over here we have a bunch of tokens and a gold-plated Irish penny, which was really nice. Here we have the Australian donation dollar. It's a 2020 Australian donation dollar, and this is worth about $6. And I was kind of excited to get one of these. Here we have 2 other Australian dollars from 1999 and 2011. And here we have an Australia commemorative 50 cents for 1982. And it's not going to let me focus on it, so another Australian 50 cent from 2014. One from 2004. Another from 2005. And there we have a Endeavour 50 cent from New Zealand, and next to it is a New Zealand $2 coin, a 5 cent. This coin right here is a very special coin. This is a English 1.5 pence from 1843, and it is actually silver. It's 92.5% silver, and this would be worth approximately $30 if somebody hadn't drilled holes in it. So at this point it's probably worth only about $7 or so. I wish they had not drilled holes in it. Sure, it's very difficult to see any detail there, but it does say 1843. Here we have various Australian coins, a couple of Japanese coins there, a Brazilian coin from 1922, a East Caribbean coin from 1955, and then in the next row here we have a lot of Russian coins, actually in the USSR. Then we have some German coins, some Czechoslovakian coins. Here we have Czechoslovakian coins in the top. We have Korean coins over here, South Korean coins. Over there we have a Ukrainian coin. Have a couple of old Yugoslavian coins right there, those three. A Romanian coin. Oops, can't see where my finger is. This is a 1 bani Romanian coin. This is a Bulgarian coin. A couple Mexican coins. A couple of really nice early Portuguese coins. Right here at 27 and a 1940 something, I believe. Oh, that's the 1929. And that's the 1947. A couple of Taiwanese coins. One Vietnamese 1 dong coin. And there we have a 1999 Pennsylvania quarter right here. A Niagara Falls token, tourist token. Some German coins, Bulgarian coins, 2 Bulgarian coins right there. Some Cayman Island coins. A Russian coin, Canadian penny, Cayman Islands, more Cayman Islands, Cook Islands. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that's going to be a 100 yen coin from 1970. Apparently worth $6. I'll have to look into that. A Pepsi token, probably absolutely worthless. And up here, just some pretty worthless Australian and New Zealand coins. So overall, a very nice coin collection for $42. And I'm going to have to do a lot more research and look up what the values of everything is here. I think we have probably between $100 and $200 worth of coins here for $42. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.